Well, we're back at it again. I just talked to the guy about this fountain. He said they're throwing it out. He said it's really, really heavy. I was like, I bet it is. Should we get it? I'm gonna try to get it in the back of the truck. I'll see if I can do it. Well, he was right. It's heavy, but it's in there. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but it's pretty cool. Came back out of his garage, was like, "You got it in there by yourself?" I was like, "Yep." He's like, "You must be very strong." I'm like, I guess so. Guy's always got crazy stuff in his trash. I don't even know what that is. It's like a heater for doing curlers or something, I guess. Always got crazy stuff in his trash. It's all electrical stuff. Switch panels, outlets, cover plates, things like that. A couple metal junction boxes. I don't know, I'll go through it later. Maybe some of it's sellable. Probably just a lot of scrap. There might be something in there. other small things like curtain rods and stuff. Today's a slow day. It's not very much out here. Middle of the week's always pretty slow. Guess I'll go back and load up some of the stuff we found earlier in the week and take that in. We'll make a couple bucks. See what else happens today. Did dig through here a little bit. Electric stapler, a couple staplers. Couple things. Most of it's scrap. A couple screwdrivers and tidbits down in there. We'll sort it out. Yeah, small load today, but take some of this other stuff in this afternoon. Get paid. Auctions tomorrow. Gotta build up the money. Well, I'm digging through some of that stuff. This is that tote, and that bucket was that one stop with all the electrical stuff. And it's like, I don't know, I'm on the fence. I don't know whether to separate all this into dirty motors and just get rid of it, or I mean, there's a lot of good stuff in here. You know, these things, the connectors for conduit. I wouldn't trust any of these damn switches, but they probably work, you know. Old bus spinning fuses, glass ones. You know, I don't even know if you can buy that stuff anymore. Oh, look, piece of copper. Alright. And then I found this, an LED bulb in there with this cool adapter, which we're going to go test and see if it works. Alright, so you just boop right into a socket wherever you're working. And then this is the tools that were in there. And I got one more in the garage here. And like these, you know, like the lines on them. I mean, are these just junk? Is nobody gonna want them? Is there somebody looking for 5 of them out there somewhere to put in their house? I mean, I don't know. You know, this big old one here, this thing's probably expensive. That's probably 8 to 10 bucks on its own right there. Knife sharpener, Christmas bulb tester. Oh, don't go in the scrap bin. You know, this thing worked. I found 2 of these old wooden, 2 of them taped together. Maybe they'll sell, I don't know. And this electric stapler, which I tested, it works up to 3/8 inch. T50s. That's cool. Does this work? Oh, sweet! That's kind of cool. And it being an LED light, you can just, yeah, I know. It's not even an issue. Greasy, grimy hands and all. Hey, I also found this the other day in one of the videos. I still need to look it up. It's 1986 May. It's upside down, but it's a here, let me switch. Sun lamp kit. I think it's for tanning, like in-home tanning. Alright. It does work, but it's only got like a 10-minute timer on it. Alright, so you know, and like you leave it on for a minute, you can feel it burning, yeah. Like it's like actual sunlight, UV light, right? It kind of goes white in a couple minutes. Like you let it go for like a minute and it goes to like a white light, and it's super hot. I don't know, I'm gonna look it up. It still works. So's the bulb. I don't know. Clean it up. It's retro. You want a suntan watching TV? I don't know. old school mini truck scrap loads. Pretty much got all the big bulky stuff on there. A couple grills, dryer, stove, hot water heater, a couple little tidbits. I guess we'll run that in, see what it gets. Guess I'll take a picture before the last of it, right? Freaking the local hubcap guys, I guess he passed away. His wife's just dumping him. Yep. That's what happens. You spend your whole life collecting, and when you're gone, it's just trash, right? Crazy. There's all kinds of hubcaps in there. He said half that pile's hubcaps. I believe it. They already did 2 30-yard dumpsters of stainless hubcaps. He had every hubcap in existence, apparently. 800 pounds on the money. 48. Alright, let's go buy a tie rod end before we die. Here it is. The hubcap place. Wednesdays, maybe. Here it is. Yep, clearing it up. Crazy. He's been here forever. Probably made a killing in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. I even bought a set of rims off him in the 90s. It's nuts. Oh, that's life, right? You did a great service to the automotive community, sir. You will be missed. Once those big wheels came out, it pretty much put you out of business, I would guess. Yeah, a landmark going away. R.I.P. Hubcap Palace. Well, Hubcap Place. Well, came back, worked on some number 1 and some brass and some number 2. Not that much number 2, a little tiny bit, but still got to take the trailer in. I'll probably do that in the morning and take whatever copper I got in before we go to the auction. So figure that out in the morning. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you guys had fun. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Smash that like button. Alright, all that happy good stuff. See you on the next one. Can't take me anywhere. Can't even go to the store without filling up the truck. Got a microwave, wheelbarrow, pull-up bar, a light, a water tank, kind of mosaic fold-up chair. It's kind of cute. And this old grill. It's in really good shape though. When was the last time you guys seen a glass front grill? Do they even make them like that anymore? I don't think so. It's crazy. Yep, Master Flame 7000. Going to the yard.